Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Ghost Train. This highly sought-after vehicle is a fantastic addition to any player's collection, offering unique advantages in your adventures. To unlock this impressive train, you will need to gather a specific amount of in-game currency called bonds. There is one straightforward method to add this glowing engine to your fleet, and we will cover it in detail right now. The Ghost Train is a premium item, requiring 325 bonds to purchase. This makes it one of the most valuable trains available. Its true power lies in its special ability. Any enemy defeated near the train will rise as a temporary ghost ally. These spectral fighters will assist you in combat, turning the tide of battle by creating a formidable ghost army to clear towns and hold off large groups of foes. To accumulate the necessary bonds, focus on exploring the game world. Looting valuables from various towns and outposts is a consistent way to earn this currency. Additionally, successfully completing objectives and discovering hidden bank codes can provide significant bond rewards. Prioritize these activities to quickly build up your reserves and get closer to owning the Ghost Train. By consistently engaging in activities that reward bonds, you will soon have enough to acquire the Ghost Train. Once you have 325 bonds, simply navigate to the in-game store and make your purchase. Prepare to command a spectral army, as this train will transform your gameplay experience with its powerful ghost summoning ability. Happy travels with your new, extraordinary train.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.